Hi guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today is just going to be a real quick video of a haul that I just did from Tom Ford. I did get the new Tom Ford lipstick. It was a collaboration with Cardi B. And so I just wanted to come on and show you guys this. This is how it looks. Y'all excuse my shaking. If you know me and you've been here, let me wipe it off. Then you know I have a problem with my shaking, but this is how it looks. I thought it was so cute. I thought it'd be so cute for a purse, you know, lipstick to put in your purse, in your makeup bag. All right guys, I'm back. So again, this is a Tom Ford lipstick and it's a collaboration with Cardi B. I don't even know what color. What is the color called? Let's see. It just says 36 Cardi. This is how the box looks. So maybe that's what it's called. Yeah, that's all it says, and that's what it has on the bottom. If there is a name, I can't read it, guys, because it is hard to see. So maybe y'all can see it. So let's try it on, because that's what we came here for. It is a sheer lipstick. So this is just one application. It'll be pretty as a topper. That's the way I saw someone else do a video on it. They use it as a topper. And I'm going to link her channel in the description. And so this is how it looks. I thought it was really pretty. It's creamy. And again, that is the Tom Ford and Cardi B collaboration. And that is it. So I know you guys know I've been gone for so long, but I want to thank all the ones that have stuck with me, and for my new subscribers, hello. My name is Darlene, or D, whichever you want to call me. This is Naturally D. You'll see natural hair videos on this channel, or you know, some hauls for some beauty or whatever, but not many. But it's really for natural hair. As you guys can see, I big chopped again, but this is how long my hair has grown over this. I think it's been a little bit over a year and a half since I big chopped before this time, where I just chopped this side off. And so this is how it's grown. It's really done well. I'm going to come on and show you guys some products that I'm using now, but we'll talk about that later in another video. So I want to thank you guys so much for coming to watch this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.